This is its financial history too, where money's past reveals tomorrow's truth. What if the government could control every dollar you spend instantly? What if your money wasn't really yours anymore? Welcome to its financial history too in March 2025. Something happened quietly. No press conferences. No public debate. Just a bill slipped into Congress that could change what money means in America. Not a tax reform. Not a spending bill. The Digital Dollar Act. Officially, it's about modernizing payments. But behind the PR language lies something far more serious. A government-built system of total financial control. We're told this is innovation. But the design is intentional. Every transaction recorded. Money that can be programmed. Accounts that can be frozen with a keystroke. This isn't a conspiracy theory. This is exactly how central bank digital currencies CBDCs work. And over 130 governments are already building them. China tracks over 260 million digital yuan users. Nigeria uses digital money to enforce capital controls. The Bahamas logs every transaction in its economy. And now, the US is joining them. But America's version is different. Because the US dollar is the world's reserve currency. If America programs its money, the world feels the consequences. What a CBDC really does today, your digital payments go through private banks. The government doesn't see everything. But with a CBDC, you have an account directly with the Federal Reserve. Every purchase, every transfer, every dollar you touch is logged in a federal database. That creates three powers no government in history has ever had. 1. Total surveillance. What you buy, where you go, who you support. All of it stored forever. 2. Programmable money. Your dollars could expire. Be blocked from certain purchases, or limited to specific locations. 3. Instant enforcement accounts frozen instantly. Funds seized automatically. No court, no warning, no appeal. This is not digital cash. This is government-controlled code in your wallet. How other countries proved the danger. China integrated its digital yuan with its social credit system. Buy something the government dislikes? Your score drops. Your freedom shrinks. Nigeria restricted conversions to foreign currency. Digital money became a trap. The Bahamas now sees every transaction in real time. The pattern is clear. Convenience first. Control later. Freedom last. What the Digital Dollar Act really does, the Act orders 18 months to build the infrastructure, 2026 pilot cities, 2027-2030 national rollout, programmable smart contract features, a federal database of every transaction, treasury power to freeze accounts without a court order. Cash will remain legal, but slowly become useless. This is soft coercion. The slow death of private money. Who profits? Who loses? Banks get new government contracts. Tech giants build the system. Surveillance companies harvest the data. And ordinary Americans? They lose. Privacy, financial independence, the ability to save, the ability to dissent, the right to control their own money. A future where your spending can be restricted for carbon footprints, health choices, political views, or simply being flagged by an algorithm. And once this system exists, no future administration will ever give it up. Power only expands, never retreats. The choice ahead: the digital dollar will be marketed as progress, fast transfers, cheaper payments, more security. But buried underneath is a simple truth. A programmable dollar is not your money. It's the government's money you're allowed to use until they decide otherwise. Before the rollout begins, people need to understand the stakes. Because once a CBDC becomes the default, there's no way back.